In this rhythm lesson, we are going to review quarter notes, quarter rests, half notes, and half rests. First, let's review the world's most boring measure. This is 4 quarter notes. This is how we would label them. A big 1, a big 2, a big 3, and a big 4. Remember, we use big numbers because we say them out loud when we count them. Let's count and clap. Down, up, count and clap. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make that measure a little bit more interesting and review quarter rests. You see we have a quarter rest here and a quarter rest here. This is how we would label this measure. A big 1 and a big 3 because we say those notes out loud. And remember what we do for quarter rests? Right, we make a small number and we cross it out because it's silent. Let's count and clap this measure. Down, up, count and clap. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Let's review half notes. Half notes are longer than quarter notes, right? Yes, they last for 2 full beats. So if a half note gets 2 beats, I can replace these 2 quarter notes with a half note, right? Yes. So our new measure should now look like this. But now where did beat number 2 go? You're correct. It's inside of the half note. Because beat 2 is now inside of the half note, this is how we should label it. Big numbers for the beat numbers we say out loud, and a small number 2 since it's inside of beat 1. It's part of the half note. Let's try counting and clapping this together. Down, up, count and clap. Go. 1, 3, 4. Great. Try that one more time. Do you feel that this half note is 2 full beats? It's nice and long. Down, up, count and clap. Go. 1, 3, 4. Great. Okay, now let's review half rests. How many beats does a half rest get? Correct, 2 beats. Just like a half note gets 2 full beats of sound, a half rest should get 2 full beats of silence. So, if we wanted to replace these 2 quarter rests with a half rest, our new measure would look like this. But now where did beat 2 go? You're correct, beat 2 fits inside of this half rest. So the half rest lasts for both beat 1 and also for beat 2. Let's count and clap this new measure now. Down, up, count and clap. Go. 1, 3, 4. So to review, so far we have talked about quarter notes that get 1 beat of sound, quarter rests that get 1 beat of silence, longer notes, half notes, that last for 2 full beats of sound, and half rests that are 2 full beats of silence. Let's figure out how we would label and count this rhythm pattern. We would start with a big 1 for the first beat, big 2 for the second beat. Oh, what kind of note is this? It's a half note, so it takes up 2 full beats. So it will take up beat 3 and also beat 4. Let's count and clap this together. Down, up, count and clap. Go. 1, 2, 3. Nice job. Try it one more time. Notice how this half note feels longer. Down, up, count and clap, go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's figure out the counting for this rhythm pattern. We would start with big 1 for this quarter note. And remember, since this is a half note and it lasts for 2 full beats, it will be a big 2 and a small 3 because beat 3 fits inside of the half note. Then when we get to this note, we are on big 4. Don't forget that half note will sound long. Let's try counting and clapping it together. Down, up, count and clap, go. 1, 2, 4. Nice job. Try it one more time. Down, up, count and clap, go. 1, 2, 4. Very nice.